Odoland, I think it's slow pour. I got it, I picked it up really cheap, Amazon, 26 bucks, 23 bucks. It makes great coffee. It holds a liter. It's just so small. I mean, look at my hand compared to that thing. It's tiny. It fits inside. See, that's ready to rock. So they give you this little cup. Here's the cup they give you, tiny. I don't know, 8 ounces, 6 ounces, not very big ounces. This is what sold me on it though, because I don't have to buy coffee filter, but it's got these little, see a little fin? I'm assuming that fits for the cup like that. Cover the screen. We have our boiling water that probably got beaver fever in there. Let me give it a little pour. So depending on how much you put in there, as far as grounds, that's how long it's going to take you to make a cup of coffee. Delicious coffee. It makes it really nice. The filter here collapses, it goes into the cup. The cup's handles collapse down, and then those two fit inside here, and then you can just put it in the bag. So yeah.